3, 2, 1.
What has to come at night, but can also come any time of the day? The answer is A, tomorrow. Titration is a method to determine what in acids or bases. The answer is C, concentration. What is the study of how countries manage their money and trade called? The answer is B, macroeconomics. Which mathematical term refers to a function that returns the greatest integer less than or equal to its input? The answer is B, ceiling function. Where was George Washington born? The answer is B, Virginia. Which mountain has the tidal roof of Africa?
The answer is A, Kilimanjaro.
What will receive more sunlight? The answer is A, elephant ear leaves. What promotes cell division and are necessary for growing plants in tissue culture? The answer is C, cytokinins. In the TV series Roswell High, what was the last day the whole gang, including Tess, spent together? The answer is D, prom. Who is the tallest living person? The answer is C, Sultan Kursin. Which ocean does New York City border? The answer is B, Atlantic. What animal lives in termite mounds? The answer is B, aardvark. Which two gases make up the bulk of Earth's atmosphere? The answer is B, nitrogen and oxygen. What type of oceans are hostile to algae and phytoplankton? The answer is A, warmer. All energy resources have benefits, risks, and drawbacks. Which two resources present the most dangerous risks and consequences for the environment during their acquisition? The answer is A, oil and coal. Who was Pamela Anderson married to before her brief marriage to Kid Rock? The answer is B, Tommy Lee. Halloween traditions were brought to North America by Irish immigrants between 1845 and 1852. What term is used to refer to this period? The answer is C, the Great Famine. Water follows where sodium ions lead, due to what process? The answer is A, osmosis. What is not one of the things Jim gets wrong on Dwight's security badge in Season 2 of The Office? The answer is B, first name. What is the brass instrument with a conical bore and a flared bell? The answer is C, French horn. What marrow produces blood cells in the human body? The answer is C, red marrow. What does the megaspore mother cell produce after meiosis division? The answer is D, 4 haploid megaspores. Ions can be formed when atoms lose what other particles? The answer is C, electrons. What vegetable is also known as the artichoke of China? The answer is C, bamboo shoots. In what year did the dodo become extinct? The answer is B, 1681. What happens during photosynthesis? The answer is D, plants change light energy into food energy. What does RAM stand for in computer hardware? The answer is A, random access memory. Carols are popular Christmas songs performed on Christmas Day. What was the original meaning of the word carol? The answer is D, round dance. Which is a strong acid? The answer is B, sulfuric acid. Who was the emperor of Japan during World War Roman II? The answer is B, Meiji. What is the philosophy that emphasizes living in harmony with nature? The answer is D, Epicureanism. Ski jumpers used to jump with the skis positioned parallelly. Nowadays, the skis are V-shaped during the jump. Who introduced this manner of jumping in 1988? The answer is D, Jan Bocklerf. Who won the most Grand Slam singles titles in tennis? The answer is A, Roger Federer. Which Mel Brooks film is not on the American Film Institute's list of 100 funniest American films? The answer is D, High Anxiety. Ron Howard has a brother named Clint Howard who played which character on the Andy Griffith Show? The answer is C, Leon. What actor plays Craig's dad in the 1995 movie Friday? The answer is D, John Witherspoon. What popular person once said, "The history of dance on film begins with a stare"? The answer is B, Gene Kelly. Which African language has the most speakers worldwide? The answer is D, Swahili. How many odorant receptors do honeybees have? The answer is C. 170. Which artist released Thriller in 1982? The answer is A. Michael Jackson. Who is the Egyptian goddess of love, beauty, and fertility? The answer is D. Hathor. What is the name of the church that Rayford Steele, Chloe Steele, Buck Williams, and Bruce Barnes are members of in the second novel in the Left Behind series? The answer is D. New Hope Village Church. The four types of light receptors include different types of cones and what else? The answer is D. Rods. What was the full name of the character played by Al Pacino in the movie Scarface? The answer is C. Antonio Tony Montana. How can the rate of an infectious disease be drastically reduced? The answer is B. By preventing transmission between people. Who painted the Guernica? The answer is B. Pablo Picasso. What food is called the food of the gods in Greek mythology? The answer is D. Pomegranates. Which organelle synthesizes proteins using mRNA as a template? The answer is C. Endoplasmic reticulum. What was the approximate population of Tel Aviv according to the Israel Central Bureau of Statistics as of June 2006? The answer is C. 380,600. Which layer of the skin is primarily responsible for protection?